Hi guys, long time not talk, not gonna lie, this is the first time that I'm actually picking up the camera in 2024, so hello, hope you had the best start of the new year. I decided I wanted to film a little vlog today. I'm stuck in the house until my Yodel driver comes to collect my parcel, which I'll tell you more about that later on, but let me start this vlog by showing you guys something very exciting. My boyfriend got me this Nescafe machine. I'm in desperate need of coffee, so I cannot wait to actually use these for the first time. He also came with these 3 pots from Starbucks. I think I'm gonna try the caramel macchiato today. It was literally out of the blue. I got back home from work and it was like, close your eyes, I have a surprise. And well, the rest is history. Let me show you guys the machine. Okay, here she is next to our Lavazza one. I definitely can't wait to start using it. Oh my god. Wait, let me show you. Outside is snowing. I mean, it's nothing too crazy. It's very light and it's definitely not gonna stay on the ground. But look at that. What a perfect day to stay cozy at home. Got this little tea box, but I think I'm gonna put my coffee pots inside. Alright, that looks very good. Okay. I'm not sure these are gonna fit. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm definitely not gonna be able to fit those in there as well. So I wanted to do a cute and aesthetic little montage, but truth being told, this is the first time that I'm using this machine and I have no clue about how it works. I got 2 pots and I got told that you should do the milk first and then the coffee after, which to me is so weird because when I make a proper coffee at work I would do coffee and then milk, but I don't know, we're gonna try this way. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I'll put these here and then we press. Oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Okay, so that is the milk part and now we're going with the coffee. Of course, we need to do a little taste test together. I did not put any sugar, so we'll see if I need any, but cheers. Okay, wow, definitely need sugar. Also, this is so hot and I was not expecting that. Still gonna be very hot. I'm kind of scared. Okay, it is better, yeah. I definitely added a bit too much sugar this time, but it's my first coffee, you know, I still need to get the hang of it, so fair enough. Also guys, how cute is my little cup? It's from Waterdrop. I got a little discount code that I'm gonna pop on the screen for you guys. Again, I'm not sponsored, but I really like them. Oh my god, now it's snowing a lot. Like, whoa. Please tell me I'm not the only one who constantly check where a driver is. Talking about drivers, this is the parcel that I'm returning. And it is indeed my Christmas tree. Let me actually fill you guys in on what happened. So I got the Christmas tree. You guys know that I wanted to get a real one, but I couldn't find it, and so I rushed into buying a fake one. When I was in the shop, I could you know, I loved it. I thought it was super cute, but then when I bought it and it came and I opened it up and added all the ornaments and stuff, the more I looked at it, the more I didn't like it. And so since I had the option and I wasn't in love with the tree, I decided to return it after Christmas. I know this is gonna sound so shady, but whatever. The guy from the store that I talked to booked me a Yodel collection, and that was meant to take place on Wednesday from 5 till 7, I believe. And on that day my boyfriend also was meant to finish work around 3, so I went to Central, I did a little browsing, and then I was meant to pick him up, have a drink and then go back home. But it finished at 4 instead of 3, and so we had no time for the drink because again the collection was at 5. So we rushed to get back home, and then we waited. At one point I was like, what is going on? So I checked on the website and he says, sorry, but the driver cannot make it anymore. And I was so pissed because again I literally rushed to get back home so that this collection could happen. But okay, fine, whatever. I get an email the following day from the store guy asking me what day I'm available for the new collection, and so I say Friday, but then Yodel itself also books me a collection for the following day, so for Thursday. And this time the collection was meant to take place from 4 till 6, and we already made plans for Thursday, and knowing that I already had the collection booked for Friday, I was like, you know what, if they come while we're at home, cool, they'll take the parcel, it's gonna be fine. Otherwise I just can't be bothered with it. So we go out, we do our thing, and then just out of curiosity I got back on the site just to check, and he says that the driver tried to collect the parcel at 6:30 and no one was home. You literally gave me a collection window that was from 4 till 6. So even if I waited for them, yeah, I would not have stayed at home until 6:30 because the collection was until 6. Do you get my point, yeah? So Friday comes around and my delivery window was so far back. I think this time was again from like 4:30 till 6:30, and I already woke up sort of late. I washed my hair, all that stuff, and I basically didn't really have time to go out before the collection, so I just decided to stay at home, wait for this collection, and then eventually go Tesco. I could you know, you guys, I was literally sitting down on my dinner table, which is 1 meter from my entrance door. I live in a studio flat, if some of you don't know, so there's literally no way that I did not hear someone knocking on my door. At one point I checked the time and it's 7 already, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Where is the driver? So I check on the website again, and he says that they tried to collect the parcel but it wasn't available. And I'm like, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? I've literally been home all day, you did not knock on my door. I was so pissed. I was so pissed. I literally wrote down the longest email to the store guy, who definitely did not have anything to do with it because it's a Yodel problem. But I was so pissed. I needed to let all these emotions out. So finger crossed my parcel will be collected today. Otherwise, I literally don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm so upset and I'm so over this whole thing. Like, I literally wasted 2 days waiting for them, and that is not cool for me. So I just realized I'm still yet to open this. This definitely looks like a lot of cash. Okay, I think that's it. 100, 245. I've been saving my cash tips from January 2023 until December 2023, and this is it. I've done it last year as well, and I'm probably gonna do this in 2024. I mean, last year I feel like I went extra crazy. I got a little pig from Tiger and you were meant to smash it. This time I decided not to go so hard and to take all the money out, but again, these in tips is kind of a lot. Actually, let's do some journaling. I've showed you guys these already in my what I got for Christmas, but this is my new planner for 2024. I do really like it.
Here's the latest tracking information I have. We came to collect your parcel, but the premises were closed. That's all the information we have for you. Goodbye, and thanks for calling.
I'm pissed. How do I need to call someone. Good morning. It's a couple of days later. Let me get you guys up to speed and tell you what went down. So for starters, my friggin' parcel, it's still here, as you can tell. This bloody parcel, you guys, I was super upset, and that is pretty much why I stopped vlogging on Monday. I ended up making some mini banana pancakes to finish up the night, and let me tell you, they were so good. I added some cocoa powder in them as well, so 10 plus. And then yesterday I actually went to IKEA with a friend of mine, and I ended up not vlogging my trip there because we were just like talking and chatting, and I have something to show you guys. I'm actually looking at it right now. It looks so good. I'm so obsessed. So let me show you what I've been working on, aka the reason why I didn't vlog. I honestly don't think you're ready for it, but here we go. Da-da! I'm trying to find an angle so that you don't get the reflection on the big canvas. I mean, don't mind Apollo just chilling there, but you guys, how cute are these? I got these frames all from IKEA. On the big one I put these world map that we already had, and then DIY'd these little guys, and I'm obsessed. I had these little plant pots and I stick those to the clear part of the frame, and then I added some little letters, a little postcard inside. Literally though, I always hated how this wall looked like when we moved in. There was a big massive painting that I could you not was literally a punch on the eye. I hated it so much, so I would never film in front of this wall, and it was always a struggle trying not to get that frame in the background of my videos because I hated it so much. I could you know, I'm so obsessed with this wall right now. I love how greenery my flat looks. Like we have a lot of plants, there's a lot of green going around, and you guys know I wanted this wood frame divider thingy to be my background, and I want to cover it with this little plant thingy, but now I'm not too sure about it. I do think it crashes a bit with the plant in the frame. We are getting close to finish off this flat though, and I'm super excited because I can finally film a flat tour. There's still a couple of bits that I want to do, and I'll try to get them done before I film the flat tour, but honestly, now that that side of the wall has been taken care of, I feel like we are 98% done. I need to figure out what to do with that wood frame, like I said, and so that's probably the other 2%. Also, talking about things that I'm excited for, your girl managed to put her hands on a pair of Uggs platform mini in the size 3, which is so hard to find, and in the color chestnut, and I'm so excited. Apparently they're coming today. I wasn't expecting them until tomorrow, so that is great news. And I feel like these ones are gonna make the cut. I didn't really talk about my Ugg journey, but I've been trying to get these pair of Uggs for what feels like forever. It's definitely been a couple of months. I think I started looking around October, and we are currently in January, so it definitely took me a while to get them. I was super indecisive at first whether I wanted the ultra mini version or the mini. I was going back and forth with my decision. I ended up going for the mini version and not the ultra mini because I didn't really like the way the ultra mini fit me, and I hated the fact that you could see my short sock through it, and so I was like, let's just go with the mini. I've made a mistake of wanting the smoke plume color because I thought they were gonna match my coat. Learned my lesson after the second time that I purchased them that they did not match my coat. I got them online from the kids section at first because I was like, why do I need to pay 50 extra pounds when I can get them from the kids section and they're just cheaper? Well, the reason why, it's because they're also a bit shorter. Like the platform is not as tall, and I definitely wanted a full-on platform, and so ended up returning those, and then got another pair of smoked plume Uggs in the size 4, and I realized that they're too big, so I returned those as well. And I've been monitoring the sites ever since that day to find a pair of Uggs, and I'm super excited. I got them from the site called The Hut. It's like H-U-T. I don't really know how to pronounce it, and I got a really good deal with it. With uni days I managed to get 15% off, and so I paid less than £150 for those Uggs, and I'm super excited. As I mentioned, they're coming today, and I thought we could do a bit of collaging while we wait for them to arrive. This big boy here is my collage book for 2023. This is literally so heavy. I'm still yet to buy one for 2024, but I feel like I gotta do it because it's a tradition now. It'll be my 5th year doing it as well, so that makes me kind of excited. Okay, never mind, my parcel literally just arrived. Like literally within seconds of me finish off the last clip, someone calls me and it's the driver, and My eggs are here. Oh my god, my voice cracks every single time that I'm excited about something. Also, not to throw some shade at Yodel, but that's how it's done. If you're in the estate and you can't find a flat, just give the person a call. Also, like, so fast. I literally got these the day before yesterday and they're here already. Mind-blowing. Let's open them. Okay, are we bloody ready? I love them. Oh my god. See, the reason why I thought I wanted a size 4 instead of a size 3 is that these things are so hard to put on the smaller size, but then I read that they do stretch, and on the size 4 I definitely had too much room to walk around. So okay, what do we think? They're too cute, I can't. Oh my god, the sun today is really giving. Okay, so final touches have been added. I mean, we definitely did a lot in 2023. So full, I can't even close it properly. 2023 memories book flip through. Let's go. Didn't have a proper opinion about 2023 until right now, and this is why I love having a memory book, and I've been doing this every single year, and I'll probably do this for the rest of my life. It's a good way to look back at the places you've been, the things you've done, people that entered into your life, and specifically 2023 was a very relationship heavy year for me. I mean, at the end of 2022 I got back in touch with a schoolmate, and you guys know him as my boyfriend now. I mean, it's been super fun to leave this year again by just flipping my memory book, and it's something that I would definitely recommend you guys to do as well. Not gonna lie, I feel like I've been to quite a few places, and so that's been super fun, and also quite a few concerts, although some of them are not in my memory book because I didn't really have anything that I could glue on a piece of paper. But I did see Sabrina Carpenter as well, which was probably one of my best concerts of 2023, not gonna lie. I'm definitely gonna order a new college book straight away so that I can start collecting memories for 2024. I'm super excited. I actually will be leaving for a very exciting vacation in about a week. Me and my boyfriend are going to Bath for our 1-year anniversary, and oh my goodness, I can't believe it's been a year yet. I will definitely vlog the trip because I just love looking back at those memories. Although on the 18th, which is our anniversary, we have a spa day booked, so I might keep that for ourselves and not being so camera focused. But yeah, I'm super excited for that. And then once I go back to London, I'm also gonna get my hair done, and finger crossed I have a better experience this time around. Definitely do not book in the same place, but definitely gonna tell you guys more in another vlog, so do stay tuned for that. Be sure to subscribe as well if you haven't done so already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and you're excited for 2024. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!